You know, I've never been big on customizing sneakers, but then this pair, this pair. There you have it. As promised, I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I have content coming out more frequently than I did in the last 6 months. But let's dive into it because I'm really excited. This is the first time I've ever gotten a pair of sneakers customized. I mean, I've done small jobs, right? Like my Jordan 1 Mocha, I've got the white panels on the heel converted into black. So I hit up my friend Vaishak who lives in Bangalore and asked him to help me get my hands on a pair of the Fragment Dunks, the Beijing Dunks. And he sourced me the pair. And now what Vaishak does is he also customizes. And before he shipped it out to me, he said, "Hey man, do you want to get this customized?" And I was like, "What do you have in mind?" And he showed me and I was like, go for it. At any point through this video, if you like what you see, give this one a thumbs up. First thing before we get into the sneaker is I picked up a pair of Carhartt double knee jeans. I guess since I've been downsizing my apparel and sneaker collection, I've been picking up new as well as thrifted products that would be a lot more durable and last me a longer time. So you'll probably see me repeating fits, but there's nothing wrong in that. We gotta probably stop consuming, and yet I say that in a video where I picked up a sneaker. Anyway, so these are Carhartt double knee jeans that I got thrifted. So you have your Nike special collab kind of a box. This is what we saw on the Ambush Dunk, I think on the Clot Air Max, and also on the undefeated Air Max 90. So you have that all black matted out box with a glossy Nike swoosh. You can see right there under the N and the I, the Seraphim branding, and that's what Vaishak goes by. It's Seraphim store. Contact details. I'll leave his links in the description as well for you guys if you want to hit him up. Hold up, let me get both the pairs out. The Fragment Dunks done in the OG Fragment Jordan 1 colorway. Woo! Man, this is so nicely done. I'm not going to talk about the quality of the leather and all of that because it's all being painted on, but a nice note right there, hand painted for Claudius. That's me, in case you're not known that.
So to be able to buy and pay for the customization of this pair, I actually downsized 3. There's my Uptempo, there's the Babe Puma Blaze of Glory, and the Ultra Boost 1.0. Do you think that was a wise decision?
I'll leave a picture to the OG Beijing Dunks and you can see them side by side. How much of work must have gone in to make this pair. I love how he's done the stamp right here. So clean. Oh, he's also done the tongue tab in blue. Right there, it's otherwise burgundy like on the original pair. And I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison, so I asked a friend from the community, Tushar, to share his OG Fragment Jordan 1s, which are all wrapped. I'm probably going to take the wrap out just to get some pictures with it, but for reference, there you have it. Is that not cool? This is a UK 8, by the way. Tempted, but yeah, I can't really get these. So this was a wicked idea. I think if the Dunk actually dropped in this colorway, they would have flown out of shelves. In terms of tech specs, you know, it's like any other Dunk High. I'll have a link left behind for one of my Dunk High reviews. You can check that out on my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Are you planning to get a pair customized too? Me personally, I'm waiting to beat these up. I want to see how much wear and tear they can really take. And maybe sometime down the line, I'll do a video of how these hold up. I know for a fact that Vaishak uses Angelus paint. It's like a sneaker paint, for lack of a better word. But wow, the detailing, like look at the stitches right here. It's all in white. I think he's painted on them, and then the other stitches are in blue, which is just like on the Jordan 1, you know, the swoosh bit has that white stitch. Same carries on over here. Alright, I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. thanks for staying all the way to the end. If you haven't already, here's your second reminder to leave a thumbs up and your thoughts on what you think about this customized pair. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one, which is going to be pretty soon. Peace.